Well, welcome to the channel. Time to do some laundry. Never showed that before. Got my laundry in the back. Right here. Gotta get rid of it. Wash it. Yada yada yada. Yeah, yes, and I do smoke. So I apologize. I know it's bad for you. It'll kill you. Everything will kill you. Anyways, going to do some laundry at the whatever, this laundromat here. Right here. Listen. Right there. Yeah, exciting. Yay! Yeah, kill a couple hours. Yeah, I'll burn a couple hours of the day. Anyways, alright. Yeah, so exciting. Watch it going around and round and round. Exciting. Yay. Oh, I'm doing the job. Sweet. Yep, so excited. And more minutes. Hopefully strong. Yay. Yeah, now we just gotta fold some clothes. I'm out of the laundromat. Yeah, another favorite spot. Another parking spot. Yeah. Yeah, now you know what? I was talking to some older lady. Explaining to her, she's telling me, oh, yada yada yada, this and that, how she sold her house and she moved to an apartment, how she, the laundromat that she is, that they don't keep them clean. Anyways, tell me the life story. Anyway, she told me that she was born in Germany. I told her, well, damn, you should go and get your German passport. Well, my parents were in the military, but I was born in Germany. Well, you're German. As far as Germany's concerned, you were born there. Should be entitled to, to the European Union. She could travel. All Europe, hassle free. I mean, she could up and leave and do whatever she wanted in Europe. Gives her that freedom. I doubt she'll ever do it. Anyways. Anyways, I'm going to fold some clothes now. That I just threw in the bag. Started, and I said, hell it, I'm out of here. Anyways, want to join the line? You'll see. Yeah, I smoke. I know it's bad. It's a bad habit. We all got to go sometime. So be it. All right. Let's see what happens. Ooh, nice and warm. Yeah, it's still humid. Fuck it. Yeah, it's not the prettiest, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I've been taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call
cold out and she's windy.
Ooh, that's nice and hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain.
Not the prettiest, but you know what?
Turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange,
It'll work just fine.
popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness.
Yeah, should work just fine. Yeah.
showing off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Okay. And that's how we do it, man. Right there. That's it. I have a lot more laundry than that, but you get the idea. Ooh. Nice stuff. Rags for my dishes. Damn, it feels colder than what it is. It feels like it wants to snow. And windy. I hate the winter. I can't stress that enough. Love the summer, don't like the humidity. But I could deal with it. Well, thank God I did laundry today. It's laundry day. Once a month. Don't have much laundry. But living out of a vehicle, it's doable. So like I said, living out of a vehicle, it's doable. Don't let anyone say you can't do it. It is doable. Alright. Like I said in previous videos, and I can't stress it enough, you can save yourself a pretty penny if you can withstand it or stand it. It's, you know, now if you had a van or something like that, it'd be a lot easier, but also a lot more money on fuel. I own a van. I know what it costs to put fuel in it. It doesn't go as far as the car. The fuel, it catches a lot more air, so they're not fuel efficient. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Maybe the new ones. I don't know. The older ones from the 90s, forget it. They guzzle gas. They're pigs. Of course, also depends on the motor. I had a Dodge Ram 5.9 limited slip. Hard on fuel. If you're running all day, you'd go through a full tank one day. So let's say $100 over. It'll be over $100 now. So all depends where you live. I know in Canada it'll be way over that. It'd be $150, almost $200. Fill up that vehicle in one day. So don't fool yourself. They're not cheap to run. Anyways, okay, that's enough babbling. Catch you on the flip side.